is Tim Iyoha.
Okay. What do you do, sir?
I'm an investment banker.
Okay. And how did you come to know about the digital marketing program?
I stumbled on mail that I've been struggling to do a course in marketing, and when I saw it was a digital marketing course, I quickly grabbed it, and I came all out for it.
So did you have any prior knowledge in digital marketing?
Well, I've always been in the marketing in the banking space, and this is an eye opener in my sales, in learning all the good things about strategic marketing in digital marketing is phenomenal. And I can tell you, for the few weeks I've been here, I've learned so much. And I remember I was having a management meeting last week Monday, and I was using some terms, and I saw my IT guy staring at me like this. Are you still in marketing, or you're now an IT guru? And I'm really impressed that I started this course, and it's been awesome.
So far, how you say the learning experience has been?
Well, wonderful. Doing the digital marketing course in a digital way, all the way from our lecturers, all the way from India, South Africa. I mean, it's phenomenal.
Okay. So would you be recommending this program to people around?
In fact, first thing first, my team is coming here to learn this digital marketing, because it's going to help us sell our products. And most of the examples that have been used is concerning my company, so it makes it a lot easier.